Hi everyone, very much welcome to KCD Helsinki. Very excited to have you all here. I hope everyone had a nice breakfast. Good. I'm seeing some nods. That's positive. That's good. Always love to hear. So me and Lucas here, we are from the organizing team. We're just going to say a few words to kick us off today, and then obviously we're going to get to the main program, aka the keynotes, which I think everyone's going to be super excited about. Yeah.
Let's see if I get it. Yes. So to begin with, we're super happy that you're here today. Welcome. And we were just thinking about like a little bit trip down the memory lane, how this started 7.5 years ago or so, or depending on how you look at it. My journey started 10 years ago when I started contributing to Kubernetes. Then I met Sarah Novotny, which we're super happy to have here today. She invited me to come over to KubeCon Seattle. Then they had one of the Kubernetes meetups. I went there and was like, this is really cool. Let's bring this to Finland. I went back to Finland, Googled Cloud Helsinki, and I was like, yeah, let's see if there's something. I met Annie at the UpCloud office, took the train down here, and there we kind of got started with the first meetup.
Exactly. From my side, I was just, busy working away as one would do. And then essentially Lucas shows up, is kind of way too excited about this technology, which was amazing to see. And from my side, I was like, okay, this guy is so excited. There must be something to this thing. And well, I think he was a bit right. Kubernetes might have become a bit of a thing. So I'm very excited to kind of have it all kicked off there. And then obviously we're here today together for KCD Helsinki. But the meetup has, of course, grown a lot. And we're super excited about that as well.
Yes, no, definitely. So even though it started as this group and me and Annie have been doing it for a while, there's of course been a lot of other really nice organizers, and we're 13 organizers here today as well, like for this event. So it's we're super happy to have everyone joining us and helping out on their free time. Since then, like there's been over 50 meetups in just 7 years, so it's we've gone to like every second month pace, pretty like as we wanted to, and 2,600 something members in across 3 different locations. So Helsinki here, Tampere, and Turku as well. Now the kind of logical next step of this is then to make an association, a non-profit here in Finland, through which we're running this event. And it's a good first thing, and we hope that there's going to be more of these events, bigger events also to come. But yeah, we're going to keep doing the meetups, and actually there's a meetup tomorrow at Aalto University as well, where we're also going to have Sarah, Ricardo, Annie, and Mirko from the Linux Foundation joining as well. So yeah, that's all nice and good.
Yeah, and of course, this event would not be, in addition to the organizers, of course, amazing work from our whole team. But in addition to that, speakers are absolutely crucial. So thank you to all of 41 of our speakers. Here is some of their faces. And obviously, you're going to be seeing all of them throughout today in the sessions that you're going to be attending. And it takes a lot of work to do a session for these kind of things. So obviously, talk with them, ask questions, learn more from them during lunch and whatnot. So very, very happy to have all of these absolutely wonderful speakers here with us today.
Yes, and yes. And also thank you to everyone that submitted a talk through the call for proposals process. We got 195 talks, so even though we have 34 here, unfortunately we couldn't accommodate everyone, but we look forward to see you at the meetups for everyone else as well. Now, next up, we would like to introduce Antti to talk a couple of minutes about OP, the venue, the nice venue that we're in.
Yeah, thank you. So good morning, everybody. My name is Antti Hoikkala. I'm the CTO for the OP Financial Group, and want to also welcome you for the KCD 25. So we are the OP are proud to be the host and collaborator of this great community event. So those of you who don't know OP, we are the largest financial company in Finland, serving over 4 million customers and providing banking, insurance, wealth management to individuals, families, and businesses. And we have over 120 years of history, and we are built on modern technology. So for us, the cloud native, and Kubernetes are really a strategic choice. So we have made a strategic direction that currently all the new stuff we build are based on cloud, and within the next 5 years we are 100% cloud-based company with 0 on-premise data centers. And also we feel that these kind of communities and community events are really key for us. Here at the OP, we see that we divide how we do our work in this what we call like a 70-20-10 system, where the 70% of our time is in a daily normal work, building new systems and serving our customers. 20 is for the continuous improvement, and 10% is building new skills and learning together. And in this we see that these kind of communities we actively participate and contribute. That is really a key. So why I'm really excited for this day and looking forward. So I'm looking forward for inspiring presentations, great discussions, and making new connections and networking, and definitely have a look at our own presentation over the backstage, which is I think for us at least is a good example how we contribute and collaborate and also benefit from the community. So all have a really great day and welcome.
Thank you very much. Awesome. So this event would not be possible without the sponsors. So in addition to OP, we have AWS and 8 gold sponsors and 4 community sponsors. So a round of applause to the sponsors.
You can chat with them obviously around the breakfast area where you were, and they're going to be here throughout the day and then during the booth crawl in the evening as well. And then, so a bit of practicalities as well, super quickly. So we have Wi-Fi. You should be able to access it via that. I think we should have some notes here around the space as well with the Wi-Fi code. We have sponsor badge scanning, and only if you consent and you give them your badge and let them scan it, that's the only time they will get your contact info, and only your contact info, and that's it. We will never give any other attendee data to anyone else, only if you consent specifically. You can use hashtags KCD Helsinki or tag KCD Helsinki there. We have 2 amazing photographers, Levi and Jonathan, here in the space, so you can see them there. We have, so you can see them around taking pictures, video, and whatnot. We have the booth crawl, which will have some free drinks. We will have drink tickets. So during lunch, we're going to have a little table set up near the lunch station where you can grab your booth crawl drink tickets. I think it's 2 per person that we're giving out. Yes. And then if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, obviously reach out to us, the organizers. We are here, and then you can see around a couple of people as well with the cool KCD Helsinki t-shirts. So you know that you can always speak with them.
Yes. So, and this event abides by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation Code of Conduct. And in short, be respectful to everyone, include everybody to the conversations, and let's have a good day together.
Yeah, and obviously we're not alone in this amazing concept of KCD events. So we have just this year alone, I think 29 other sister events. You can see all over the world, and obviously more coming in the coming years as well. So very excited to be in this good group of amazing KCD events. And this is obviously the first time that KCD Helsinki is organized, and hopefully not the last. So stay tuned for that as well.
Yes. So a little bit of stats about the conference this year. There's over 300 attendees. We have 34 super great talks across 3 tracks. We actually planned for 200 attendees and 1 track, but then we had to kind of start making some modifications to accommodate everyone. And we're sorry about all the 70, 80 people on the waitlist that couldn't make it to this event due to, fire safety reasons and other good reasons like that. But let's very thankful to everyone that's here. Then this makes for 13 hours of content. So because we have 3 tracks, I don't know if you figured out how you can be in 3 places at the same time. I haven't yet, but you can always catch the recordings on YouTube afterwards. And also, I was just checking the stats from the order form, and we have 14 countries represented. So it's a good time to kind of mingle with your international community as well during this event.
Yeah, and of course, obviously, we would be amiss if we wouldn't mention that the attendees are super important as well. So while we now exit the stage, we can kind of applaud to the attendees and all of us together as well. Thanks.
Yes, thank you.